And we're ready. We're ready. Let's go play basketball. All right, so we're here on the basketball court. Basketball court. Basketball. Now I'm dribbling. Dribbling. I'm on the basketball court and I'm dribbling. Dribbling. This is a basketball court. Basketball court. The basketball court has two goals. Two goals. One, two. Two goals. In basketball, you dribble and you shoot into the goal. You dribble, you shoot. That would be 2 points. 2 points because I made it. I didn't miss, I made it. So that's 2 points. 2 points. This video, I want it to be short. This video, I want it to be short. So I'll show you a little bit of basketball, and then that's it. I'll show you a little bit of basketball, then that's it. Okay? Dribbling. I'm dribbling. I'm dribbling. I'm dribbling with my right hand. My right hand is dribbling. My right hand is dribbling. Now, my left hand is dribbling. My left hand is dribbling. Now, both hands are dribbling. Both hands. I'm jumping. I'm jumping. I'm jumping and dribbling. I'm jumping and dribbling. Left hand, right hand, both hands, between the legs. Oh, I'm going to shoot the basketball. I'm going to shoot the basketball. Shoot. I made it. 2 points. 2 points. I made it. Two points. I made it. 2 points. Okay, that's it. I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you next time. Keep watching, keep listening, and keep understanding. Keep watching, watch, look, keep listening, listen, really listen, and understand. Goodbye.